Mark Zuckerberg just revealed the best metaverse investment in 2022 that will create millionaires. People talk about the metaverse and they are curious to know what exactly it means. It is considered the virtual reality world, which allows various users to interact, play and experience various things, the same as which could be experienced in the real world. But do you know that it will create millionaires in 2022? But do you know what Zuckerberg has to say about this? No? Well, stay tuned in the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel, Metaverse Area, where we entertain you with new updates about the metaverse and what exactly the future holds for us. And also, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell icon right there for more updates. Today in this video, we will make you aware of what the metaverse is, and we will explain the Facebook metaverse and the best metaverse investments which Mark Zuckerberg released. So let's begin. Now, metaverse is considered a virtual, online space that is three-dimensional and connects many users in various aspects of their general lives. Moreover, it can connect different platforms, a feature similar to the internet, which consists of different websites accessible by using a single browser. The concept of the metaverse was developed first in a novel named Snow Crash, and it was a novel that was included in the category of science and fiction genre. The writer who wrote this novel was Neil Stephenson. So the main idea behind the metaverse was fictional at a certain point in time, but it slowly changes itself and turns into reality. By using augmented reality, also known as AR, the metaverse can be driven with the help of the same feature. The users will also be provided control over the avatar or their character. Some of the very popular video games have included various aspects of the metaverse as they have the features of the virtual world. However, despite some of the applications that they have the metaverse features, it cannot be considered a reality. The company, owned by Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook, recently announced that they are opening Horizon Worlds. The Horizon Worlds is a world in virtual reality which includes various avatars. This platform is available to all people above 18 in the United States and Canada. This step, taken by the company, Facebook, which has now changed its name officially to Meta in October last year, is a massive step. This massive launch of Horizon Worlds is expected to change use. The company adopted a brand new moniker based on the scientific fictional term metaverse, which will complete the task of describing the vision of the company of working and at the same time playing in the virtual world. Mark Zuckerberg, in one of his statements, stated that the company hopes that with the completion of the following decade, this virtual world of metaverse will have a reach of millions of people. It will be able to host hundreds of billions of dollars of the digital commerce and will also be able to support many jobs for millions of developers and creators. Mark Zuckerberg provided the statement in October last year. The term metaverse reached another level with the change in the company's name. When the name was officially changed to Meta, around the same time, people were also curious to get proper knowledge about the metaverse, and were also trying to get all the required information about it. They also wanted to know whether this futuristic term should be given proper attention or not. Many of the critics mocked Mark Zuckerberg when he announced the decision of the company to turn Meta into a metaverse one. However, many critics also consider that announcing this new feature of the company is just a stunt to distract the people from the various problems this company is causing and the issues they're causing in real life. Some of these issues are facilitating political polarization, harming the mental health of today's youth, and increasing the spread and reach of disinformation. The company claimed that it does not want to be the only company developing the metaverse. Developing the metaverse should not be the job of a single company. It requires collaboration across the entire industry, including the government, experts, and regulators to work correctly. The company has included some brilliant minds who can engineer this project. Mark Zuckerberg, who has the major say in the company, is very excited about this project. Talking about the major advantages of metaverse, we come across various aspects. The most important is that it allows various people to experience the virtual world with endless possibilities. People can perform various actions, which they can also do in real life by using the avatars in the metaverse. The metaverse also helps by bringing many people close to each other. It also offers a mysterious aura that the alien world thought to be made available only. Moreover, it creates a lot of enjoyment by turning everything into more exciting things. It also helps improve the activity of work from home and all the processes included in homeschooling. These activities were performed during the COVID-19 times when everything was stopped. They have used investment, which the company is willing to invest in this metaverse. It has a viewpoint that says that metaverse will be the mobile internet's ultimate successor. Mark Zuckerberg thinks that by including such a feature in the company, they can get a lead in this market cutthroat competition. To make it very clear, the Horizon World can only be accessed with the help of the Quest VR headsets. which are made only by the company, so the users have to download it once, and after this procedure is completed, they can enter into the metaverse in which all the various avatars freely float around without legs. The mega launch also included the rolling out of Arena Clash, which is a 3v3 game that has laser tag, and the various users can access and play this game. For users interested in various arcade-style battles that provide the players with the multiplayer feature, there is another game known as Pixel Plummet, which is also getting high popularity. Considering all the positive aspects of Metaverse, there are some negative aspects of it as well. The major con of the Metaverse is the separation that will be created between reality and people using it. It is a technology that can fully make a person using it get involved by catching the entire attention of the human being, which will eventually distract the user completely from the real world around them. It can prove to be a very addicting technology that can eventually capture the minds of their children and grow with the same. It is considered as the inevitable direction towards human evolution. Technology can be considered the extension of human beings, and it is a very crucial part of the future. One of the disadvantages of Metaverse is the generation of addiction caused by using this. It can make people lose track of their time. It can create a very wide gap between the real world and people. It can also overstimulate the senses of people. Talking about two Metaverse stocks which are best to buy in the year 2022 we have is Unity Software is the first one. A person can also accept the Metaverse by using a phone, virtual reality headsets, or even a phone. However, the graphics in this virtual reality needs to be lifelike to gain more popularity among the users in the market. The offerings made by Unity Software provide help to the various content creators to bring life to their visions. Whether an artist is creating a texture similar to surface texture with the help of a real-life photo to make the particular universe much more realistic, or converting a blueprint of a building into a virtual reality location, Unity Software provides solutions to every problem. Next is NVIDIA. This metaverse is completely online and is powered by computer hardware. This can be considered the best metaverse investment of all time. It is a very popular company, and it is greatly known for the graphic processing units it creates, but it has various additional segments as well. The graphic processing units initially rendered three-dimensional graphics, but they found various other uses of it with time. The graphic processing units can also power various gaming systems, data centers, and engineering simulations, as they can process calculations very quickly. This company has expanded greatly, which has now become much more than being just a normal hardware company. It now provides software as well. The most relevant metaverse software is the Omniverse offering. It provides collaborations on various three-dimensional projects, and it also stimulates every design, which ensures that it becomes a very accurate presentation. The company will continuously innovate to ensure that its offerings of the metaverse are very robust. That's it for the day, guys. We hope that this video was up to your standards regarding metaverse-related information. If you enjoyed our video, then do not forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that the next time we come up with more interesting metaverse stuff, you get notified right away. And we'll see you in the next one.